In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of a Wix website. If you've ever made changes to your site and then realized you want to go back to an earlier version, Wix makes that process fairly simple. This is especially helpful if a layout changed unexpectedly, content was removed by mistake, or you just want to recover a version that looked better before recent edits. To begin, open your site workspace inside the Wix editor. Make sure you are in the correct website project before moving forward, since the history you access will belong only to the site currently open in your editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the top left menu panel and click Site. This opens a drop-down menu with several site management options. From that menu, select Site History. Then click Go to Site History to open the full history panel for your website. On this screen, you will see a chronological list of automatically saved and published versions displayed along the left side of the panel. These entries represent different points in time when your website was saved, so take a moment to review them carefully. This is useful if you are trying to find a version from before a major design update, content edit, or accidental change. To inspect a version more closely, click the arrow icon next to any version timestamp. This will open a read-only live preview so you can see how your layout, pages, and images looked at that moment. Since the preview is read-only, you can safely browse without changing anything. This gives you a chance to confirm that you found the correct version before restoring it. Once you've located the right point in time, click the Restore button in the top right corner of the window. A warning pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm it if you are sure. After that, your editor workspace will reload and display the recovered layout draft. Keep in mind that restoring a previous version only updates your current backend editing canvas. In other words, it changes what you see and work on inside the editor, but it does not yet update your live public website. To make the restored version visible to your visitors, click the blue Publish button at the top right of your editor screen. This final step applies the older version to your live website. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.